my reaction makes you.
Bro, you know,
Third swing?
it's not that bad.
Dude, you know what I think
It's not terrible. Like, it's not good.
You know what? I think it's a glizzy.
Can't imagine.
I think it's a glizzy.
Pezzy, what's your guess?
I think it's a glizzy.
To be honest with you, it's two different things.
Okay, we're good. Big bitch. You fuck! Okay, well. How are you? Yeah! Yes, game. Fucking God. Oh, understood. I'm on a Disney cruise. Where's Mickey?
What?
Didn't take 6 hours to finish this rage game.